If you click this video, you probably either subscribed to me or because you're having problems with your new iPad. For me, it's the iPad Pro 2020. I don't know if any other devices have this problem, but this one definitely does. So I'm just gonna pick a random song, and right now none of the settings on my iPad are changed. This is how it plays, and it's quite awful. Your accuracy is like really bad. I noticed that it gets worse at the sped up part. And I guess it has something to do with, sorry, it's hard for me to play and talk at the same time. The frame rate on the new iPad is higher, and Bang Dream is not equipped to handle that, I guess. So you end up with shit like this. But there's a way to fix it, and I will show you after I finish this song. Okay, so we'll see the amount of greats. 146. Right, so the good news is there's a way to fix it. So what you're gonna wanna do is go into your device settings, go to accessibility, and then go to motion. And then you'll see this limit frame rate. You want to have it turned on. And then once it's turned on, you'll go back in. You've seen I've changed none of my settings in the game. We're going to play the same song. One thing to point out, this will not make you better at the game. This will only put you back to what you used to be on your old device. So you see I'm still getting some greats because, you know, I'm not perfect at this game. Alright, gotta miss. I'm also trying to get used to my old settings because before I knew about this fix, I tried everything to fix it. I tried every different game setting I could think of, and obviously nothing worked. So I tried every speed. Yeah, so I'm gonna suck for a bit because I was playing at like the weirdest freaking speeds. Alright, so you'll see the greats are 36 now. Way better than before. Obviously, I'm not perfect at this game, so don't judge me on my skill. I'm just trying to help people and fix this problem. I know a lot of people aren't gonna have the newest iPad, but if you do have it and you were having this problem, that is why you were having the problem. And if you noticed, if you play Project Sekai, you probably noticed you're doing a lot better in that, because this iPad has, I guess, higher frame rate, so it improved some games and then it made this one worse. This is the only one that I've found that is severely affected by it. Other games, no problem. I haven't had to make any changes. But Bang Dream, for this and Japan server, I'm gonna have to have this setting on when I play. So